Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make bootable USB of Windows 10 for UEFI BIOS and Legacy BIOS mode. First you have to go to your web browser and download ISO image file from link in the description. Here, you'll get the download button. I've already downloaded, that's why I got update button here. Here is the ISO image file which I downloaded from the link in the description. Now go back to your web browser and download Rufus Bootable USB Maker from link in the description. Click here to download Rufus Bootable USB Maker. Now cut and paste Rufus Bootable USB Maker on desktop for easy use. Now right-click on it and run this as administrator. This is important. Click No on here. Now connect your USB drive to your PC or laptop. Minimum required of storage is 8 GB. As you can see, I also have the USB drive of 8 GB. Now click on Select button and select the Windows 10 ISO image file. From here, if you have UEFI BIOS mode, then you have to select GPT partition scheme, and for Legacy BIOS mode MBR partition scheme. First you have to check your BIOS mode, so please follow me. Type here system information and open it. Now scroll down a bit and locate for BIOS mode. As you can see, I have UEFI BIOS mode, and so I can choose GPT partition scheme. Now change the name of the USB drive whatever you want. Leave this setting as default. Click here and click the check on the first two options. Now click on Start and don't click on any of these options, just click on OK. Now it will ask you to format the USB drive. It will erase all your data in your USB. Now click on OK. As you can see, my USB is started to become bootable. It will take 3 to 10 minutes, I will skip this time. Note: you can't change the format of USB drive because GPT uses NTFS format and MBR uses FAT32 format. As you can see, my bootable USB is successfully created and ready to use. If you like the video, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.